How to reset Samsung keyboard to default settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, and from here tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and from here tap on General Management. Next, we then go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset to default settings. In here, you can reset the keyboard settings. You can erase personalized predictions, erase personalized touch recognition data, or clear cache. So here, if you want, you can just tap on Reset Keyboard Settings, then tap on the Reset button to proceed. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.